Hello everybody. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the time zone issue on Instagram. If the timestamps on your posts, stories, or messages are not showing as per your country time zone, follow these quick steps. The first thing you need to do is make sure your phone's time zone is set correctly. On iPhone, go to Settings, General, Date and Time. Make sure the option to set automatically is turned on. This ensures your phone syncs with your local time zone. If this is off, Instagram may display the wrong timestamps. Once you've ensured your time zone settings are correct, restart your phone to refresh the system. Sometimes a quick restart is all it takes to fix issues with time synchronization. After restarting, open Instagram and check the timestamps on your posts, stories, or messages. Everything should now reflect the correct time zone. Also, some users ask how to change the Instagram post time to a 12-hour format with AM/PM instead of the 24-hour format, like 17 o'clock. Instagram doesn't allow you to change this directly in the app. It automatically uses your device's time format based on your region settings. So, if you want to switch to a 12-hour format, go to your phone's date and time settings and make sure it's set to use the 12-hour format. This will update how Instagram shows time as well. If the issue still persists, make sure you have the latest version of Instagram installed. Head to the App Store, search for Instagram, and check for any available updates. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the time zone problem on Instagram. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching How to Fix Instagram Time Zone Mismatch Error Solution.